Okay, welcome to the Finnclean show in Tampere, and I'm standing here with Pele, not the footballer Pele, but Pele in itself, the original, at the Velimark booth, where we are presenting the Cobi 18 to the Finnish market. And thank you for your time, Pele, and how would you say the people like the Cobi?
They have liked it a lot. And we are truly amazed how many people is attending the fair this year.
Yeah, it has been extremely busy. I saw you demoing all the time from 10 o'clock today morning onwards.
Yeah.
And I see a lot of cobotic or robotic products in the show.
That's true.
What would you say were the feedback moments from the clients? What is better or different about a Cobi? Are there any special points they really like about it?
Actually, there is. Especially the maintenance of the machine has been huge success, to be said.
Yeah.
It's so easy. It's really easy to demonstrate how is it done.
Right.
So that has been one of the key points.
Okay. And did they give you some feedback as well about the mapping or the adaptation of the product?
Actually, they did. The mapping is also another key point of the machine.
Right.
It's really easy. I would say one of the best features is that it's actual pictures. You don't have to know English or anything to map it.
Right. Cool.
Yeah.
Right. So you would say it was a successful day for the Cobi, and
most definitely, yeah.
Yeah. Then again, thank you very much for your time.
Thanks,
Pele.
Alex.
Really appreciate it, and let's say goodbye to our viewers.
Bye.
From Tampere.